Sound check.
Perhaps you've been watching my videos for a while now, and maybe you've wondered to yourself, why doesn't Dr. Dan tune his voice in his teaching videos? And that's a good question, because I can tell you that you don't have to look far on YouTube to find singing teachers who are putting their best foot forward with digitally tuned vocals. So why don't I tune my voice in my teaching videos? Well, that's simple. I don't want to set you up for failure. I don't want to set the bar at the level of unachievable perfection. You see, the human voice, yours and mine, are wonderfully imperfect by nature. We're not robots. We're biological beings with lumps, bumps, and bum notes. Now, that's not to say that we don't work towards refining and improving our pitch accuracy. Indeed, much of the work we do with the Voice Essentials learning pathway is designed to help you tune your voice. But that's not to say our aim is perfection. To be sure, I have used digital tuning on my professional recordings. So this is not a video suggesting that auto-tune is bad per se. But when it comes to me showing you how to do a singing exercise, I think it is far more authentic to show you the activity with my voice in all its imperfect glory. I dare say you've got a strong opinion about this. What do you think? Would you prefer to hear me presenting the exercises digitally tuned, or do you enjoy hearing my voice in the raw? I'll be keen to read your comments, so I'll stop talking and start reading. I'm Dr. Dan. Sing well.